Sanbona and welcome back to Mzansi Zulu Mama, where we celebrate the heart of isiZulu language and tradition. And today's word is Isidwaba. So I'll be explaining what is Isidwaba and its significance in the Zulu kingdom. Isidwaba is a traditional Zulu leather skirt that's usually worn by engaged or married Zulu women. The skirt is often a gift from the father of the bride to his daughter for her coming of age ceremony. And the bride wears Isidwaba on her wedding day to symbolize respect, heritage, and her connection to her lineage. Isidwaba is made from cowhide, usually softened and dyed black. And sometimes some people make it brown. And it holds a deep cultural meaning. When a woman wears Isidwaba, it symbolizes respect, maturity, and transition into womanhood. It's not just clothing, it's a sacred garment that connects her to her ancestors and her husband's family. Traditionally, a woman receives Isidwaba during ceremonies like umemulo or umngcagco. And this differs from family to family or which area you live in. So some will only get when they're getting married, and some they would wear Isidwaba for their umemulo. Once she becomes a wife, she wears it during important rituals, family gatherings, and ancestral ceremonies as a sign of dignity and identity. In Zulu belief, Isidwaba also protects the woman spiritually. It is said to cover her in ancestral blessing and shield her from misfortune. That's why elders would often say, owesifazane akavunyelwe ukuphuma ngaphandle kwesidwaba sakhe ngesikhathi somkhosi, and that means a woman should not appear without isidwaba during a ceremony. Today, many women still wear isidwaba with pride, blending it with modern fashion while keeping its sacred meaning alive. It reminds us that our traditions are not just outdated, they are timeless roots that hold our identity strong. So remember today's word, Isidwaba. Isidwaba. It's a symbol of womanhood, respect, and ancestral connection. Ngiyabonga kakhulu for learning with me. I am Nomvelo MaMngoma Shezi, the Zulu Mama. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more beautiful isiZulu words and cultural stories. Nisale kahle, Zulu Mama tribe. See you next time.